margaritas.
The best.
Yum.
The best.
And just a whole day, an excuse to get to go have that. So we usually go somewhere and get it, but it's on a Sunday this year, so it'd be kind of fun to make this for dinner.
That sounds like a plan.
Yeah.
So we have created a Two Hunger Neighbors original recipe. It's a veggie enchilada bake.
Yep, veggie enchiladas with black bean.
Right.
Yeah.
So we've taken a medium yellow onion, sauteed it down with some garlic. I added in a green pepper, red pepper diced, and then we added in zucchini, 1 zucchini diced, 2 cups of black beans, cup of corn. Cook that down, and then we added 3 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin, and about 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
Love cumin.
And then I added 3 tablespoons of the green chili sauce.
Ooh, that's fancy.
Fancy,
I
isn't
didn't know
it?
you did that.
I did. So
All right.
all we did was we bought some red enchilada sauce and put about 1/2 cup on the bottom of a 9x13 pan.
And so now we're just gonna layer
We're gonna layer
our corn, little mini corn, white corn tortillas. Okay, so these are gluten-free, dairy-free.
Okay,
With our mixture, our dairy-free cheese, right?
that's correct.
As well as more of our green chili sauce, is that right?
And
Okay.
some more enchilada sauce.
All right, some more enchilada
So
sauce.
I've never made enchiladas before. You have made them.
Mm-hmm.
So you might have to just.
So what I've done before is just layer it, and I think with these small tortillas that will work well. So I think probably what we want to start with are those, and I usually just put 6 in a pan. You know, they're going to overlap a little, but just put 6 in the bottom of your pan, and then we're going to put some of our bean and veggie mixture on top of that next. And I normally do 3 layers, so I'm sort of thinking that would work in a 9x13 pan. So we'll do some of that, and then probably our sauces and our cheese, and then layer again. And then we're going to top it at the end with some cheddar Daya, which is a dairy-free cheese. And so we'll have 2 different flavors in there.
And feel free, if you're not doing dairy-free, just add regular cheese.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Yeah.
So enchilada or green chili?
Are we going to do both?
I think
Enchilada?
the enchilada.
Okay. All right, so I'm going to spoon some of that on top.
And this is like a 28-ounce can of red enchilada.
Yeah. And then some cheese.
And we're gonna do some cheese.
And then we can go back with our next layer.
Okay, so this is gonna be our last. We've got one more layer here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh, we're gonna do some of this.
Sorry.
That's okay.
Just getting so excited.
So excited, I know. And this is gonna bake for at 350 for how long?
Well, I mean,
About 30.
Yeah, I mean.
We're gonna do a little cheese.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay.
Once again, I'm getting ahead
You're
of
getting
myself.
so excited for that final layer
sorry.
of tortillas, aren't you? All right, there you go.
Okay.
And we'll do that. So this will be our last layer. And I think at the end we'll put this cheese, maybe drizzle a little more of that.
That sounds like a
A
plan.
little bit more of a kick.
Okay. So last layer here. Here, I thought I made too much filling.
I think I'd use most of it.
I would too.
Yeah, might as well. So we'll type the recipe in the comments, and you'll be able to see the exact amounts that we did there. Oh yeah, I'd throw all that in there. Perfect. Yeah. I don't know why on layered recipes it always says make your last layer the most, like when I do layered lasagnas or whatever. I don't ever understand that, but anyway, I usually follow those directions.
Okay. I've never heard that.
I know. Well, it just seems like all the recipes I do. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little bit more of our enchilada sauce. And I don't think we're gonna need any more of those.
Oh, so you don't put this on top? I thought you put this on top and then put the sauce on top.
You could. You could. You wanna do that?
Yeah, I think that'll look,
Go for it.
look pretty.
Okay. Go
Maybe
for it.
it'll crisp up a little bit. Maybe not.
Okay. Do you want any of this?
Yeah, I say put some of that on.
Alright, I'm just gonna drizzle a little.
I don't think I've ever had green chili sauce.
Yeah, I like the green chili salsa.
Like diced green chilies.
Yeah. So we've used about 1/2 can of that. Do you want any more of this?
I say a little bit more of that.
All right, and then our Daya cheese. Oh, this is gonna be delicious. Delicious.
And once again, if you don't want to do just vegetables, you could add some pulled chicken, you could add some ground beef.
Yeah, ground
You
turkey.
could add steak if you want to do steak. This is just a general. And then we're just,
But if you're looking for a healthy, you know, vegetarian, dairy-free, gluten-free dish, this is something that will feed the masses. I mean, this will feed a family and pretty inexpensive to make. So, yeah, I think that looks delicious.
I think that looks so good. Okay, so covered or uncovered?
I think I would do it uncovered. Yeah. So 350. We're gonna try it for about 30 minutes. See what. I mean, everything in here is cooked.
Right.
So we really just need to, you know, get our tortillas kind of crisped up. Crisp. Say that for me.
Crisped.
Thank you. And then the cheese melted.
Okay. All right. Let's do it.
All right. Get it in the oven. Two hungry neighbors ready for our Cinco de Mayo party. I mean, right?
She's told me to dress up, but I don't have any.
This is impressive. I don't like to dress up for anything, but this is kind of fun. Sombreros, a little maracas.
I am impressed.
Yeah,
And
right.
your little piñata.
So, I mean, it just adds to the festivities. And we have our veggie black bean enchilada bake.
Yes.
And
look at that.
I'm dressed ready to go. So let's see how that tastes. Let me just try it.
Let's try it here.
It looks amazing. And they did, you know, by leaving the, by not covering it when we baked it, we did bake it for 30 minutes at 350. The tortillas did crisp up, which I think are nice, on top at least.
Right. We do like that.
Yummy.
Oh, here, let me try this, huh?
Yeah, I am. I'm gonna have you show everyone how you get that out of there perfectly. Looky there, you did pretty good, Jill.
Look at that.
I'm proud of you. This looks perfect.
Put that right there so you can try it.
All right. You know what would be good on this is a little bit of that, when you make your, the coconut sour cream with a little cumin in it.
That would
Coconut
be
milk
really
sour
good.
cream, wouldn't that be good on that?
That would be good. You could also put some slices of avocado on this too. That would be good.
Why didn't you think about that? You should have gotten some of that. Okay. Let's try it.
I was trying to fit your hat.
I can't think
into
of
the
everything.
screen.
I
couldn't.
I can't think of
I know, you
everything.
can't, can you?
It's terrible. Okay, so let's give this a try. This looks delicious. I didn't get all layers. Let me do it. That's good. That is good. That's a good enchilada sauce. Let me have one more bite though. That is delicious. Tastes like lasagna.
And it almost tastes like that the Cedar Lane. There's a Cedar Lane frozen dinner that is dairy-free, gluten-free enchilada bake, and it's my favorite.
Well, now, I mean, this will serve both
You
of our
know
families.
what? You know what we did put on this?
What?
Black olives.
That's a shame. I have some.
That's our favorite.
That would be good on there too. Black olives, avocado, a little bit of sour cream or dairy-free sour cream. That would really dress it up.
That's good.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, guys, you got to try this. It's super simple. It's inexpensive. It's a great thing. You know, you could take it somewhere, feed a lot of people, and it is delicious.
And I think what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut this up and we're gonna freeze it.
Oh
I'm
yeah.
gonna have this for lunch for the next.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So
All right.
that's all we've got. Make sure you subscribe to Two Hungry Neighbors YouTube channel. Comment below, and we'll see you soon.
Happy Cinco de Mayo. All right. This is yummy.